So you have a couple view toggles up here, kind of like with your snap points on the CAD screen. So you can see if you hover above, you got cutting direction, kerf, material, parts, rapid moves, toolpath, shading, and grid. They work, you just toggle them on and off up here. So if I wanted to click on this one, cutting direction, you can see I have little arrows pop up that show me the direction the torch is going to be traveling. You also have a button right here called kerf, which shows you the actual kerf of the material getting burned away. The other ones, you have material, so you can see around my part the actual plate that I'm going to be cutting on is what that's showing. This will show me the parts. So if I toggle that off, I'm just left with my tool paths. You could toggle on and off your rapid moves, your actual tool paths, shading, and the grid.